everybody, welcome back to the Hot Years. I'm Rochelle, and this video is going to be on the bargain bead box. So if you're new here, please consider subscribing. We'd love to have you. It doesn't cost anything to do that, and I'm just giving you a little show of what I've been working on since my last beaded video. Okay, this is a rainbow bracelet I've been working on. Isn't that gorgeous? All crystals, 4mm bicones. Okay, and same here, these are all yellow bicones, and these are called happy beads, the little sea beads in there. They are 11 O's. Is that gorgeous? So that's what I've been working on, doing some fun stuff. But today's video is going to be on the bargain bead box. I feel like I haven't received this in a long time. It is a monthly subscription, so let's open it and see what we got. I haven't even looked at it yet, so let's get this open. Well, let me see if this works. Okay, that's not working. Whoops, I cut some of the paper. And each box is based around a theme. So let's see what this month's theme is. There you go. So this month's theme is Summer Nights. Ooh, I love that theme. So it says here, your beads, okay, sparkling blue goldstone, the glittering summer stars. Goldstone is a man-made material dating back at least to the 16th century Italy. Created with a careful balance of glass and metal oxides, heated at low oxygen levels until precise temperatures are reached. Wow, this sounds interesting. You'll find sparkling crystals, glazed porcelain rectangles, and an array of silver finish findings. Okay, and as usual, you'll get a 30% off coupon code here, so you can use it on their sister store called the Bead Box Bargains. Okay, and they have a lot of great stuff on that site because I ordered from there before. Great items. Okay, and I think that's it. They also have, as usual, the monthly contest. If you can enter what you make from the monthly bead box and submit it for to win a $25 gift certificate. Flip side shows you, no, I'm not going to get that, shows you everything that's in there. Okay, so we have 18 items in here. Let's get started. See what's in here. And you have a light blue organza bag. Number one, we have a 20-piece 8mm blue goldstone faceted round beads. Oh, they're loose. Okay. Goldstone. So let me get in a little closer. These are really pretty. These are, okay. I thought I was seeing two holes on one side. Nope. These are really pretty. They really, I think it's better if I hold it down here. They really sparkle. These are gorgeous. Okay, number two. Let's see what number two. 15-inch strand of 6mm blue goldstone round beads. Okay, so we have a smaller version of the beads here. There we go. These are very pretty. Okay. And number three, 10-piece. This is a 10-piece 10mm English cut blue goldstone faceted round beads. More goldstone, but a different cut. It's gorgeous, and then they have some nice weight to it. So these are absolutely not gorgeous. Looks like a midnight sky. Okay, number four. Number four is a 6-piece 9 by 15mm glazed porcelain rectangle beads, turquoise shimmer. Oh, these are gorgeous. Look at this. Wow. I love these. Love that color. Very coastal looking. Number 5, 2 sets of 19 by 15 round toggle clasp with 12 mil charms. So let's see this. These are so cute. Look at that. Are they cute? There you go. And it's just one-sided. The detail is just on one side. Okay, let's get this back in. 6. 42 by 38 mil blue goldstone and pewter fancy round pendant. Yeah, look at that. Wow. How cool is that? That is pretty gorgeous. It already has a bail on it for you. There you go. Just throw some chain on there and you have an instant necklace. Your number 7. Here we go. These are 20-piece 7 mil scrolled bee caps. And they're very decorative. Look at that. Very pretty. These are really pretty. Kind of look a little vintage. Number 8. Where are you? Oh, here it is. Number 8. These look interesting. Number 8. 10-gram bag of 10 mil floral 4-loop links. Oh, these are really pretty. Look at that. They're the same on both sides. These are super cool. And again, they kind of give you that vintage, expensive look. It has some nice weight to it. Wow. I love these. Okay. And where's number 9? Here you are. Number 9. 2-piece 12 by 10 mil glass cylinder beads. In red. Okay. So there you go. Number 10, we have 5 grams of 5 mil steel jump rings. Okay, I'm not going to open these up. We already know what jump rings look like. Can always use jump rings. And number 11. I'm not going to open these up either. 100-piece 4 mil steel spacer beads. Okay. And 12. 12 is 4-piece 17 by 6 fancy scrolled oval beads. These are gorgeous. Look at that. More vintage look. These are stunning. They really are. Look at that. The detail on there. That scrolled detail. And these are a little heavy. These are definitely on the heavy side, which feels nice when you're wearing it. Wow. I just love these. This is going to make whatever you make look, you know, really expensive. Wish I had a lot more of those. Probably go to their store and get it, maybe. Their sister store. 13. I'm not going to open these either. 13. is a 20-piece brass 3mm crimp tubes. Okay, we all know what they look like. 14. Oh, goodness, good. I need these. I just bought some actually. 14, 20-piece 7x3 steel clamshell style bead tips. Actually, I've never used these before. I just recently purchased some because I want to use them, so it'll be new for me to use. Oh, these are very lightweight, so I will be using these just when I need it. 15. What is 15? 10 meter 32 foot spool of 7 strand 0.45 mil tiger tail beading wire. Beading wire. Let's see what this looks like. I mean, well, we know what it looks like, but let's see what this feels like. Huh. Alright. Feels good. Can definitely use that for something. Okay. And what number was that? I already forgot. That was 15. Alright, 16. 16 is 90-piece strand of 4mm crystal bicone beads in topaz. You can always use some bicone beads. There you go. 17, 90-piece strand of 4mm crystal bicone beads in sapphire. There we go. Look at that sparkle. Love bicones. And 18. 18 is a 20-piece 8mm crystal barrel beads, pale steel blue shimmer. And here we go. These are gorgeous too. And they have some nice weight to it. And I love this cut. Kind of square, but not square. Hope you can see that. So you can zoom in. So pretty. They almost look like diamonds. Look a little, they sparkle like diamonds. There you go. This is going to be pretty. Love this. So that is the July Bargain Bee Box. Okay. If you haven't tried it, I highly suggest you subscribe. Just love getting their monthly bead box. It's always fun. And that's it. That's it. Well, it looks like I'm getting better at this, a little quicker. I'll show you my, zoom out a little bit. And so that's it for this video for the bee box. And don't forget to check out my store, the beadedjewelstore.com. I'll post a link. Okay. And thank you for taking the time to watch my video. Please subscribe to my channel and like it. You'll get notifications. Doesn't cost anything to do that. And I will see you in my next video. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.